When you think about burst pipes, you probably picture winter, water freezing and expanding as ice inside a pipe until it splits. But as Europe bakes through heatwave after heatwave, pipes are bursting and leaking for the opposite reason: the heat. It sounds backwards. Pipes are built to handle boiling water. So how is a hot summer breaking them? The answer isn't really about the pipe itself. It's about everything happening around it. The biggest problem is bone-dry ground. Soil holds moisture, and that moisture gives it volume. During a prolonged heatwave with little rain, soil loses this water and contracts. As this ground movement happens, underground pipes which used to sit fixed in place on stable soil suddenly become unstable. The ground crumbling and cracking around them causes the pipes to bend and twist. If a section was already old or corroded, it doesn't take much to make it crack. And that is not the only danger heatwaves pose to pipework. Copper, galvanized steel, and plastic pipes expand slightly when heated and contract as they cool. A heatwave takes this cycle to the extreme. The higher intensity of thermal expansion stresses joints, wearing down connections until they eventually give way and start leaking. Heatwaves also change how much water we use. Increased demand puts more pressure through a system already being weakened by ground movement and heat. Heat also speeds up corrosion, meaning a summer of high temperatures accelerates the rate of attack on pipes. And then there are the trees. As soil dries out, tree roots grow deeper and become more aggressive in the search for water. Pipework becomes their nearest reliable source. Roots wrap around joints and force their way into weak spots or existing small cracks, prizing them wide open. Now you know why so many pipes across Europe are breaking in the relentless heatwave. Here is how they are fixed using a SylWrap Pipe Repair Kit. Speed is vital when it comes to sealing a leaking pipe in a heatwave. Water is already scarce, and losing even more of it through a broken pipe is costly. SylWrap kits permanently seal a leaking pipe in under 30 minutes, even when pressure cannot be turned off. No training needed. Simply follow a simple two-stage process. Offline leaks are sealed with super-fast epoxy putty. Live leaks are repaired with wrap and seal pipe burst tape. The leak sealant material is then overwrapped with SylWrap HD pipe repair bandage, encasing the pipe in a rock-hard, impact-resistant sleeve. A SylWrap pipe repair is effective on pipes of any material or size, from domestic water supply pipes running under gardens to massive wastewater pipelines at treatment plants. Pressure resistance can be built up to 30 bar, and repairs have approval for use on drinking water pipes. When heat waves break pipes, repair with SylWrap. Want to learn more about our world-leading pipe repair, maintenance and refurbishment products? Head to sylwrap.com or check out the link in the video description